there, I got a new game for you. Would you like to play?
Yes.
Okay, it's a memory matching game using numbers and emoji. Memorize the following images in order from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number represents this image?
1.
Nice answer. You got a good memory. Would you like to play again?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number represents this image?
3.
You're doing good. Would you like to play again?
No.
Okay, thanks for giving my memory game a try. See you next time.
Thanks, it was fun.
Bro, we haven't forgotten about you. You can play next, but promise that you won't use the force. What did I just say? This is not the way.
Hey Jibo, say something.
I'm scared of bathtubs.